What's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're watching this. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Sarah and today we are going to be doing my March measurements update. It's been almost exactly a month. We're just a few days past 1 month from when I did my measurements in February, and I thought, ooh, I better get done since I actually remembered. So that's kind of all there is to it. If you want to see my measurements and how many inches I lost, or hey, maybe I gained, I don't know, but over the last month, then just stick with me. And one last thing before we get started, if you like seeing content like this, please make sure to give me a like down there below. And also make sure you subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss any of my future videos if you like seeing this noggin right here. Okay, let's get started. And I will also put up here on the screen last month's measurements for comparison. So let's start with the calf. I am down 4.5 pounds from last month as well. So this is about 16.5. Trying to get the middle of the thigh, and it's 23 3/4. This is about 16 1/4. This is 23.5. Yes, my shorts are too small still. I don't really own that many shorts. So I'm gonna get like the biggest part of my booty. They're not that tight on me, they're not making me smaller. All right, so the booty's like 46. Last time I did the smallest part of my waist. It's about 28 there. We'll do the belly button. So I'm just doing these measurements first thing in the morning before I've really done anything.
Make sure you use the right end of the tape. Sounds like that measurement's not right.
Just try to get it as close as possible. It's not gonna have to be perfect. So like a 39.5. Basically a 42. Pretty sure that went down. Yeah, it looks like I'm a 15. I think I was a 15 last time also, but I wouldn't really expect a whole lot out of my neck to change. About 12 3/4. I guess I'm being a little bit less particular on the placement as last time. I took extra time last time to get my placement like just right, but I don't want to take forever to do this. That's a 13. Okay, so that is my measurements for this month. I will put also, our summary will be up here. It'll be like a before and after for February to March. And I'll put my weights up here as well in case you're curious, for those that really like the numbers. I sort of had hit a plateau, which is why kind of the weight loss over an entire month is a little bit low. But again, I'm not too terribly discouraged by that. If you are curious learning about any more about what I've changed and what I'm doing different to kind of like get out of that plateau and what I'm doing nutritionally, then make sure to stay tuned for next week's video where I talk about all of that. That is going to be it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed getting the update for the month of March. Please make sure again to give it a like down there if you enjoyed today's content, and make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so that you never miss any of my future videos. And until next time, stay well, stay blessed.